How to see your ratings in chess.com. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to see your ratings in chess.com. So you can view it both on your applications as well as your website. So in this case I will be showing via my website, that is the official chess.com. As you can see, I'm on my logged in currently on my browser. Now I'll simply tap on this hamburger icon after successfully logging in with my account. So just make sure you have logged in with your account already. And once I tap on this hamburger icon at the top left corner, here under this home section you should see there is an option that is stats. So now simply select it, and once inside here you can see all of your stats for your games, puzzles, or any other remaining days. You can also calculate or see the all stats based on your particular time range, within how many times a day you have set it a high record, and you can easily see all of those stats from over here. So you can also see all of your ratings from over here. If you continuously keep playing, it will be appearing over here. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.